Hi, I'm Jarvis Huck. I'm a teacher here at Shenandoah High School.
Mike Leggett's, I'm going to be teaching STEM at the middle school here at Shenandoah.
So we want to just kind of do a brief overview of how this project kind of came to be here in southeastern Ohio. And a few weeks into the stay-at-home order, Mike gave me a call, and him and I were talking about how the governor did a shout out for if anybody could produce PPE, please do so we can help out hospitals, nursing homes, and groups that are in need of it to fight COVID-19. And Mike and I talked on the phone for about a good hour and 30 minutes and kind of came up with a game plan of something that we could do here at the school to 3D print and make PPE to hand out to any local areas in need of materials. After we met, we got all the machines running, we got a hold of other schools in the area, and we just basically had a mass production of just all kinds of face shields from schools from us to Caldwell, Rolling Hills, Buckeye Trail, John Glenn, Morgan. Just all these schools just came together to work with this project. And to date, we have over 1,200 face shields that have been manufactured and handed out to all kinds of groups, from hospitals and nursing homes to dentist offices, eye doctors, just all kinds of people involved. These are some shields getting ready to be shipped out on Monday.
My name is Mike Lawson, and I'm from Morgan Junior High in Morgan Local School District. Together with the high school teacher, Jason Hall, we reached out to a number of schools in southeastern Ohio. And this recent pandemic, people needed face shields and the clips that went around the face masks so it wouldn't deteriorate the ears. Well, as you can see right now, these are our printers that we're working here at the junior high, and Jason took some home at the high school. We have to date made 246 face shields and sent out over 1,000 of the ear clips. We work together with schools from Shenandoah, Meadowbrook, John Glenn, Zanesville, Warren Local, Meadowbrook, and others to get these vital pieces of equipment to our frontline individuals that are battling this coronavirus. What has happened is we have created a collaboration group now that we can all get together and find out what each of us are doing and help build our programs.
Jason Hall. I'm the CAD instructor at Morgan High School.
When it's all said and done, this is the final product. This is the face shield, and we have nice elastic. It's very comfortable, and this here is to go along the face mask, and it puts behind your head, and you can, as you can see these things here, they can tighten up and they can adjust it so that it fits better to your face. This is one of our maker bots. It is making the frame for the face shield. It is taking about 2.5 hours per face shield, and it will automatically shut off and restart if I want it to.
Here we are in the basement production facility of Rick Moeller. You can see we're printing face mask extenders, the actual face mask frames. These are the strap holders, another face mask frame, and a face mask frame on the Alder Maker. I want to thank Chip Clark at the Idea Lab at Zane State for procuring these 4 Ender units, and I would really like to thank Tech Prep Ohio for providing the funds to purchase these printers and also the material to make our face masks. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Brandon German. I teach STEM at Maysville Middle School in Zanesville, Ohio. And since the beginning of the COVID pandemic and our schools being shut down, we have transitioned our 3D printing capabilities from unique student projects to PPE that we have been donating to Genesis Healthcare System. And again, I want to take a minute here and just kind of explain to you what we've been doing. We've been printing 2 different items. The first is a face shield. The face shield consists of 3 parts. The first is a plastic frame that we've been 3D printing to certain specifications from a pre-designed shield frame online. And the second piece is a clear overhead transparency film that we've laser cut, and it allows it to fit to the frame. And then simple elastic banding is attached to the frame and allows the shield to be worn. We've produced over 300 of these to date, and we've donated them all to, again, Genesis Healthcare Systems. The second thing we've been printing is mask strap extenders. So these are devices that allow people to wear surgical masks or any kind of face covering for a longer period of time without putting the pressure on the ears and allowing them to work without that discomfort. We've printed probably close to 1,000 of these. We've donated several hundred to Genesis Healthcare System, and we want to have enough of these ready to go in the fall that if we're back to school and we are required to wear masks, we'll have enough of these extenders to provide to all of our staff and students so that it'll make the day a little more comfortable. Again, we've been doing this since about the beginning of April, and made several donations, and hopefully we're helping out. So that's what we've been doing here at Maysville, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.